features of this aircraft, please walk to the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle. Pull free end to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened, seat backs in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets, window shades opened, and your tray tables and footrests stowed. Once again, welcome on board Philippine Airlines.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be informed that fire extinguishers are positioned around the aircraft. Instructions on how to use them are seen on the fire extinguisher bottles. Thank you. common for takeoff, cabin lights will be switched off. Reading lights are found in the service panel above you.
Dito na sa runway. So yan mga madal, pag nandun tayo sa taas ng bundok na yan doon sa may farm, nakikita natin yung eroplano pag nag-take off. So ngayon, eto na naman ako. Excited. Ito na naman. So sana pray lang na ligtas na makarating ng Manila. So dito tayo guys. So yung upuan ko ay nasa gitna. Nakiusap lang ako yung nakipagpalit ako ng upuan, buti naman at pumayag din naman siya. So thank you. So dito tayo sa Cotabato City guys. So bali 2 days ako doon sa Kidapawan, and then lumipat ako dito sa Cotabato City, dito sa Awang kay Boy Mukbangers. So na-meet natin si Boy Mukbangers guys, at yun na nga, at napakainit ng pagtanggap din nila sa atin, lalo na sa kanyang pamilya, na ang babait ng pamilya ni Boy Mukbangers. Nakakatuwa. Shout out sa'yo dyan, Boy Mukbangers. So bali 10 days ako dito guys. Naglapag ako ng Davao Airport nung January 1, and nagsakay lang ako ng van papuntang Kidapawan, and then sinundo ako doon ni Tito Nax Farms. So please paki-subscribe. Wow. So dyan guys, yung bundok na yun guys, yung nakita nyo yung may awang na yan, doon tayo mismo nagpunta. Dito yung awang, yung may awang ng gano'n, dito tayo, dito yung may bundok na. So yeah, at ready to take off na guys yung ating aeroplane.
We go prepare for takeoff.
While preparation for takeoff, please ensure seatbelts are securely fastened at crew stations.
okay naman, safe naman, at saka mababait yung mga tao. Mababait as in umiiyak pa sila. Umiyak sila guys, umiyak sila nang umalis ako dun sa sa Kidapawan. Sabi nila wag ka na lang umalis. As in sabi nila mga bata, huwag ka nang pumunta ng Mindanao.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, please bear reminded that spare batteries and power banks are now prohibited inside the overhead storage bins. If you have these items, please keep them personally.
So pati doon sa
You may now
Kidapawan,
charge your portable electronic devices such as cell phones and laptops. Please do not leave your charging devices unattended and notify the cabin crew if you notice any abnormality or signs of overheating. Thank you.
so yun na nga mga madam, pati doon sa Kidapawan pinipigilan nila ako doon na wag nang tumulay dito sa Cotabato, dito sa Mindanao.
And ladies and gentlemen, please be informed that due to technical issues with our water boilers, we would like to apologize that hot beverages for this flight is not available. We appreciate your understanding. Thank you.
So yun na nga guys, tumuloy pa rin ako dito sa Mindanao kasi dito talaga yung lugar na sadya ko, hindi doon sa Kidapawan. So tumuloy ako dito. At ganun din, parang sa Kidapawan din na wala akong kakilalang dinatnan doon maliban kay Tito Nax, na sabi ko sa kanya, message kita pag nasa terminal na ako ng bus. So yun ang nangyari guys, from town to town na nakikita ko yung mga kung ano mga lugar na ako, mini-message ko, sabi niya, hanggang sa makarating ako ng Kidapawan. And then yun, hanggang sa nagkita kami, ang saya lang. Hindi mo kailangan alamin yung lugar, mas maganda yung pumunta ka na wala kang alam doon sa lugar. Kasi nung nasa Hong Kong pa ako, puro negative, puro masama, puro mag-ingat. Siyempre nagpapasalamat ako dahil concerned kayo sa aking kaligtasan, mga madam. Adventure nga eh. Pumunta ka sa lugar na walang alam, wala kang kakilala, wala kang kalaman. Pero meron tayong mga kaibigan vlogger na pag magawi ka dito sa lugar namin, mag-message ka lang, kami nang bahala. So yun na nga guys, so dumating ako ng Kidapawan, tapos yun, ang ganda, ang dami kong nagawa sa Kidapawan guys. Napuntahan ko yung mga medyo makulimlim guys, maulap. Dalawang gabing nag-uulan dito sa Cotabato guys, kaya parang pinipigilan din ako ng panahon na wag munang umalis. Umiiyak. Pero maulap siya guys. Sa Kidapawan guys, ang dami kong nagawa doon, ang dami kong napuntahan, as in. Tapos ang maganda doon, may service na motor, at saka si Tito Nax, napakabait ni Tito Nax. Sila ni